lovelies, welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. I am so glad to have you back again in another cooking show. Please, I'd love you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if this is your first time watching my video. It's totally free. Thank you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chicken patties. This chicken patty recipe is really the simplest, and the patties are really crisp on the outside and they are also juicy in the middle. You really don't want to miss out on this one. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 500 grams of ground chicken, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. I would love to add 3 tablespoons of freshly grated onion to this. And you want to make sure you squeeze out all the excess water from the onion first before adding it to the rest of the ingredients. That prevents the batter from turning mushy. You can now season the content with half teaspoon each of black pepper and salt. Also with 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1 chicken bouillon cube. This will help lock up the taste of everything. Mix that with your clean hand, making sure everything is nicely incorporated. When you are done, wrap the bowl with a plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator to marinate for just 30 minutes. This will allow all the seasonings to come together and also helps to firm up the chicken for easy shaping. Take the bowl out of the refrigerator after 30 minutes. Use an ice cream scoop if you have one, or simply use a spoon to scoop the batter. Place the batter in a shallow dish containing half cup of all-purpose flour. Coat that lightly. This prevents the batter from sticking to your hand when molding. You can now mold that into about a half-inch thick patties and transfer to a wide dish. Then continue shaping the rest of the batter. Once done, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Add the patties to the heated oil and cook on one side for a couple of minutes. You can add 2 to 3 patties at a time depending on the size of your pan. If you really want your chicken patties to cook all through, place a lid over and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. When you can notice the underside nicely golden, flip over to the opposite side, cover the lid again, and cook until they are golden brown as well. You can add more oil if needed and continue cooking the patties until they are nicely golden brown. And here they are. Now that your patties are well cooked, transfer them and drain on a paper towel and continue cooking the rest of the patties. And here are your yummy chicken patties all ready in a moment. They look so beautiful, golden brown, and they smell good as well. You can change up your dinner plan with these crispy, juicy chicken patties. I can assure you that they are the best, and you will definitely love these ones. So guys, chicken patties are really versatile. They are best paired with some veggies and a drizzle of lemon. You can even use them in your hamburger if you prefer them that way. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Also click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time guys, have a wonderful day. Bye!